All right, guys, 2012 Nissan Versa. Nice car. We do exhaust on anything. We don't mind. It's got a high flow converter there. It's got a stock resonator there. He didn't want to take it off yet. Then 1 3/4 pipe out the back. We cut it all the way here. It was broke. And he brought his own vibrant resonator. He's been watching our video. He's been a fan since 2019, about 3 years now. So we really appreciate him. The vibrant part number that he bought off our videos, 1790. So we added 2-inch pipe, put a vibrant resonator, and because he's been a fan for so long, we threw in a tip for him too, right there. A DC tip, blue flame out the back. Something a little different for you guys on the Nissan Versa. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Nice. That sounds clean. Still got the stock resonator too. Look how massive the bumper that was on it, guys. That's the one we took off. Again. Yeah, it's clean. Here's sound decibels. 90.5. Again. Sounds good. I like it. It's just clean, not raspy. Nissan Versa. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Versa with a vibrant resonator and blue flame tip. Traffic. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.